Whoa! Gone are those days where 50-55 inches used to be the TV standard. These days, everybody wants like a big screen experience at their home. And I'm telling you, right, TVs have become like social status these days. And once you start watching TV or any sort of movies, or especially if you watch cricket on these large TVs like 65 inches, there is no going back. For you people, I have a brand new TV in the home that offers like crazy features at a reasonable price point. This is TCL's all new C61B 2024 series, just launched in the Indian market, and it offers like 4K quantum dot LED experience plus Google TV at a very reasonable price point. Not only that, you're also getting like Dolby Vision support, Dolby Atmos, 2.1 channel Onkyo speaker setup is also there, and not to miss out, 120 Hz refresh rate with all the gaming features you're looking for. Like what? I'm like very excited to unbox and show you this TV in this video, guys. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started. So our brand new TCL TV came in this sort of box packaging. The model we'll be unboxing today is C61B. It's available in different size variants. You get from massive 65 inches to 43 inches. Different variants are there. And in case if you people don't know, TCL is global top 198-inch TV brand. Quickly unboxing it, at the top we have an accessory packet over here which includes some cables like a mains cord for the TV and also a 3.5mm to RCA cable, some paperwork like a user manual and also warranty card information, TV stand installation screws, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, and this is your brand new TCL TV remote. You're getting new design over here, very sleek, and also has like a premium brushed metallic sort of finish over here. And yes, it is a smart remote. You're also getting OK Google voice assistant support as well. Last but not the least, these are your TV stands. Look at the design, guys, very premium looking slim blade design, I would say, entirely made of metal. So that's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's get started with the unboxing and check out the TV we've been waiting for. TCL's all new 2024 C61B 65 inches QLED TV. Oh boy, that is massive, right? What I'll do is I'll quickly install the TV, set it up, and then be right back to continue this video. It's been almost like 10 days I've been using TCL's all new C61B TV at my place, and today in this video I have a lot to talk about. I'm pretty sure you people have questions regarding the picture quality, sound quality, and also the gaming performance, right? You people will be getting like A to Z information in this video, so make sure to watch it till the end. So first of all, let me give you like a closer look at the TV and talk about the design and build quality part. TCL C61B is a 4K QLED Google TV available in like different size variants. You get from massive 65 inches to all the way up to like 43 inches as well. Today in the house we have the big 65-inch variant, and I'm telling you, right, it looks massive. First of all, talking about the design, TV has like a very classy and modern looking design. Especially love the bezel-less design, guys. You're getting a full metallic frame, and bezels from the front look very slim, especially on the top 3 sides. On the bottom you do have a little bit of chin, but that also looks quite nice in this metallic sort of finish. You just have the TCL logo at the center, and below that you have a tiny status LED indicator along with a power button. And talking about the build quality of the TV is also like really good. Feels quite premium for the price point. It's actually like a mix between metal and polycarbonate and has a complete unibody construction. Have a look at the stands as well. Very beautiful looking stands. Slim blade sort of design, entirely made of metal, and has a nice brushed metallic sort of finish. So what I'll do is I'll quickly turn around the TV and give you a closer look at the connectivity ports and talk about that. Plenty of connectivity ports are there, starting off with a mains cord port on the right profile, and on the left profile you have all the other remaining connectivity ports. Very easily accessible. Even if you wall mount the TV, you won't have an issue at all. Starting off at the top side, you're getting one USB 3.0 port, so you can connect storage devices like pen drives or hard disks. Unfortunately, only one is there. Would have appreciated if you had 2 USB ports, followed by a Ethernet LAN port is also there. 3 HDMI 2.1 ports are available, but only HDMI 3 supports EARC. Keep that point in mind. You're also getting RF antenna in, AV in is also there, 3.5mm headphone jack, and lastly a digital optical out. And having a look at the back profile of the TV, you might have noticed something at the center, right? Well, the TV features a dedicated subwoofer, guys. You're getting like 2.1 channel Onkyo speaker setup on board, and this one is a 15 watt subwoofer. We'll come there and talk about the audio at a later part in the video. Keeping the design and build quality aside, now let's get into the TV's home screen and talk about the UI, operating system, and also built-in apps and features. First of all, I have to mention section, TCL C61B is a Google TV. So obviously you are getting that stock Google TV UI and also home screen, guys. Really love this clean and modern look. On the home screen, you're getting multiple different categories. For you section is there movies category, TV shows, apps section, library, and a special TCL section is also available. So in the For You section, it gives you recommendations and keeps changing the content depending on the type of videos or any sort of content you're watching, either it be movies or web series. Just below that, you have all your apps installed on the TV. You're getting all your OTT related applications. YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus Hotstar, all of them are available. And yes, you also have like a dedicated app section as well, from where you can easily download all your apps or any sort of games that you're looking for. TV's performance has been like very good, guys. Very fluidic experience is what I can say. The whole navigation, opening and closing of apps, transitions, everything feel like buttery smooth on this TV. And I forgot to mention, TV has like onboard 2 gigs of RAM and comes with 32 GB of onboard storage, guys. Really appreciate TCL, unlike some other brands which only offer like 4 or hardly 8 GB, guys. Why? Give something like 32 GB now. You can download lots of games on your TV. Very useful. And TV operating system also runs very smoothly. Okay, this is something I have to talk about. On all the 2024 TCL TVs, right, you're getting access to TCL Channel, which offers you like plenty of live channels free of cost. You can access news channels, a couple of entertainment channels, music channels, movie channels, all of these for free of cost. They run based on internet, guys. So all you need to have like internet connection, and that's it. You're set to watch like live channels free without any sort of subscription. Quickly moving over to the settings, let me also show you the software information and the storage related settings as well. And yes, the TV has support for dual band Wi-Fi, both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, both these networks are supported. And coming over to the software related information, as I've told you, it comes with Google TV UI experience, and on board you're getting Android version 12 pre-installed out of the box. And coming to the storage section, it comes with 32 GB of onboard storage, and out of that around 25 GB is free space, guys, and 24 GB is usable, which is plenty for a TV. So that's it, our complete overview on the software, home screen, and also UI part. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up some OTT related content, play some videos for you people, just have a look at that, and then we'll talk about the picture quality and also the sound quality. TCL's brand new C61B is a 4K QLED Google TV available in different sizes, and today in the house we have the massive 65-inch edition. I've been using this TV for the last couple of days, and I have to be honest, I'm telling you, right, picture quality is pretty amazing for the price point. Main highlight is, for this price tag, right, you're getting a 65 inches quantum dot LED experience. Picture quality is good no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be like 4K movies, web series, or even like YouTube videos. Good amount of detail, everything looks crisp and clear. And if you ask about the contrast, right, first of all, let me tell you, this TCL TV features the T-Screen Pro that offers 5x contrast enhancement, and because of that you're getting great contrast levels and also deep black levels as well. Not to miss out, the TV also has AI PQ Pro processor. It is basically like a picture quality processor that uses AI and is responsible for the whole image processing and optimization to give you visually pleasing results. Coming to the colors, main highlight would be that quantum dot layer on the front side. So when light strikes this quantum quantum dot nano crystals, right? They produce like strikingly beautiful and vivid looking colors. And one more highlight is these QD LED TVs are also like much brighter than your regular LED TVs, almost like 20-25% more brightness on these models. And also TV supports up to like 95% DCI-P3 color gamut, and the panel produces like very accurate colors. The brand has given a delta I value of less than 0.99, which means that it produces like very natural looking colors and also skin tones. If you ask about the viewing angles are fine but slightly bit limited because it's a VA panel, right? If you're checking out the TV from central area or the left or right, TV picture quality looks really nice. But if you go to the extreme left or right profile, you'll observe that the colors on the TV are slightly a bit washed out. Anyways, brightness of the TV is also good. Panel can go up to like 450 nits of brightness, which is more than enough for your day-to-day sort of needs even in your living room, guys. And last but not the least, if you ask about the dynamic range, right, TV has support for like Dolby Vision. HDR10 Plus is also there, so especially if you're watching like 4K movies in HDR on OTT apps like Netflix or Prime Video, right, you people will have a blast. There's good amount of detail in both the highlight areas and the shadow areas as well. On the overall, I'm telling you, right, TV offers like a really good picture quality for the price that you're paying. And these days, I've told you, right, it's all about big screen experience. Gone are those days where 50 inches, 55 inches used to be the standard. These days, everybody wants like a 65-inch TV at their home, that too at reasonable price. So if you're also looking for a same with like really good quantum dot experience, right, this is the one you can definitely go for. Now, keeping the picture quality aside, let me also tell you about the sound quality. TCL C61B features a 2.1 channel Onkyo speaker setup that can produce up to like 35 watts of output, 2x10 watt stereo speakers on the bottom side, and a dedicated subwoofer at the back side that can produce around like 15 watts of output. And overall audio experience has been like really good, guys. I'm telling you, right, if you're a bit tight on a budget, you don't need like an external soundbar or a home theater system. The onboard speakers will definitely satisfy your needs. Good quality sound, vocal clarity was nice, all the dialogues are like crisp and clear, easily understandable, and bass was also like pretty decent for the built-in speakers. See, unless you want like a realistic 5.1 surround sound sort of home theater experience, right, you don't need to spend extra money. It'll get your job done. Alright, I know this is a part a lot of people have been waiting for, so let's talk about its gaming related features. This TV has like plethora of gaming features. First of all, you're getting like a really high refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Auto low latency mode is also there. VRR support, HDMI 2.1, FreeSync premium support as well. But one thing I have to mention is to access that high refresh rate, you'll have to go into the settings and enable this option, guys. So TV features something known as DLG technology, which is exclusive from TCL and offers 120 Hz refresh rate, but at a reduced resolution of 1080p. So if you want high refresh rate, resolution of the TV becomes 1080p. At 4K, native refresh rate is only 60 Hz. You can even check out all these settings when connected to my PC over here, guys. There you go. This is what I was talking about. But anyways, overall gaming experience has been really good, especially if you play a lot of games on your consoles like Xbox or PS5, right? And you're looking for like a really big 65 inches 4K TV for this sort of purpose, right? This TV will get your job done. Very minimum latency because you're getting auto low latency mode. VRR support is also there. See, for this price point, I think it was doing a really good job in the gaming segment. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also give you a closer look at the TV remote control and talk about that. Plenty of features. Obviously, it's a smart TV remote, right? So you're getting OTT shortcuts as well. Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, TCL Channel, all of these are directly accessible over here. Quality of the remote is also nice. Has a brushed metallic sort of finish, but it's actually made of polycarbonate. Feels quite slim, easy to hold in the hand, and all the buttons are like very easily accessible. Not to miss out, you're also getting Google Voice Assistant on board with a built-in microphone directly on the remote. And not to forget, TV also has like a built-in microphone for a complete hands-free experience as well. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on TCL's all new C61B series QLED 4K Google TV. It's a really good and value for money TV is what I can say, especially the kind of features you're getting, right? I'm telling you, right, if you're looking for a large size experience, just simply go big with TCL TV. I'll leave links for all these in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.